Welcome back our 4th standard computer science online class. Today we are discuss the new lesson. The lesson name is internet. First, what is an internet? Internet is a very large system of computer network. The internet user can interact and share the information using internet. Many people use the internet for searching the information, online chatting, buying and selling goods, then sending the greeting cards, etc. The next topic, history of internet. The internet began with the development of electronic computers. Then the United States of America set up the network of computer. Okay, that is called ARPANET. That stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The network connected one computer in California with three in Utah. Okay, it was the first step toward the creation of the internet. Next, the NSF established the 5 supercomputing centers. Okay, the NSF stands for National Science Foundation. The NSF net connected, grow and became a very large network. Okay, that is called the internet. Next, all of you take your book, page number 77. The next topic, basic stamps of the internet. The first one, World Wide Web. The www, it is the simply subnet of the internet. It contains the many information. The information forms are like text, graphics, audio, video, etc. The www allows the user to access the data on the internet. Okay, the next one, web page. Web page is a single page of the website. Then it contains the many information. The information forms are like text, graphics, sounds. Then it accessed through the web browser on the internet. Okay, what is web browser? The web browser is a software. You can use the smart mobile phone. அதில் வந்து நிறைய வெப் ப்ரௌசர்ஸ் எல்லாமே இப்போது டிஃபால்ட்டாகவே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா, தி வெப் ப்ரௌசர்ஸ் ஆர் யூஸ் டு ஆக்சஸ் த information on the internet. Some popular web browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera and Netscape Navigator. The next one, website. Website is a collection of web pages that provide the information to the user. Then the website allow the user to place order electronically. The next one, Internet Service Provider, ISP. It is a company or organization which provide access to the internet for Airtel, BSNL. Okay, the next one, home page. Home page is a main page of the website. It is the first page also. It holds many information. You open any website, the first page is called web page. Usually the web page contain table of contents and links to the other pages. Next, all of you see the figure 8.2. It is the home page of your website. The next topic, hyperlinks. A web page can contain the many hyperlinks. The hyperlinks are maybe like text or pictures. It mainly used to connect the other related web pages. The next one, uniform resource locator. The URL refers to the address. Each website can contain unique address. Okay. The next, hardware and software requirement of the internet. You connected to the internet, you can have 5 requirements. They are first one computer, then one ISP, internet service provider, then modem, then internet access software, then internet application software, that means browser. The first one, modem. The modem stands for modulator or demodulator. It allows to a computer use the telephone line or cable. The modem converts the digital signal into analog signal. Okay. The modem basically two types. They are internal modem and external modem. The internal modem fixed inside the computer. For example, dial-up modem and Wi-Fi modem. The first, dial-up modem. The dial-up modem operates over a telephone line. Okay, it requires network access phone number, username and password. The next one, Wi-Fi. We are already well know the Wi-Fi. It means popularly used the technology. It enables the user to exchange the data then wirelessly. For example, data card and USB interface. The next topic, external modem. The external modem connects to the computer using cable and is placed on your desk. The external modems are more expensive than the internal modems. The internet access software. The internet access software is very important to the external modem. It controls the connection of the computer to the internet. The two main components of IaaS is dialer software and TCP or IP network. The TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. Then IP network means Internet Protocol Network. Okay. The next one, Internet Application Software. The Internet Application Software is the network browsing software. We already know many web browsers name. The Microsoft Internet Explorer is the main popularly web browser on the internet. The next one, browsing the browsing the internet. How to browse the internet? Now learn the steps. First step, switch on the modem on the computer. Then log in the button. Then connected to the internet. Then step 3, double click on the Microsoft Edge icon or any web browser icon. Then type the URL. URL means that website address. Okay, in the address bar, then press the enter key. Okay, the particular website is now open. Okay. The 4 main components of the web pages are address bar, title bar, forward button and a back button. The first one, title bar. The title bar displays the title of the current web page. It contains 3 buttons. They are minimize button, maximize button and close button. The next one, address bar. The address bar is used to type the address of the website. After type the website, you press just enter key. Now the web page is opened. Okay. The address bar has the following buttons. They are back button and forward button. The back button is used to go to the previously opened web page. The forward button is used to go to the next page of the web page. The next one, triple dot. The triple dot present in the right handle of the corner of the web page. It contains the different buttons. For two buttons are print command and zoom command. The print command button used to take a printout of the page. Then zoom command is used to increase size of the text. The next one, scroll bar. Scroll bars are horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bars are used in the web page. Okay, the remainder portions we will discuss in the next class. Thank you, students.